Hello.
Hello. Hi, how are you doing today?
I am doing good, thank you. How are you?
I am very good. How do I pronounce your name?
My name is Mohammed Ramzan.
Mohammed Ramzan.
Yes, correct.
Yes. And where are you from?
I am from Jammu and Kashmir, that is in northern part of India.
Oh, very nice. Nice to meet you. My name is Caitlin. I am from Canada, but I currently live in Thailand, so far away from home.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
You are
Yeah.
great.
Yeah.
So basically, I am interested to learn English and want the fluency like you. And I hope that after a few days, after uh, practicing, I will able to speak like you.
Okay, well, I think it will take a little bit more than a few days, but of course, when you practice, especially like Cambly and stuff, like having even like general conversation, practicing your conversational English, it definitely helps you speak and, get more comfortable. How long have you been learning English for?
On Cambly, I am practicing from last 2 weeks, and other than that, I have started my English communication practice from last 3 years, basically.
Oh, nice.
So yeah, but nowadays I have requirement of this one because I have some clients in the other countries, so they have the only option to speak English with me, and I must have the capability to understand them and make them understand.
Yes, of course. Well, your English is very good, especially for learning for just 3 years. So good job. What kind of sort of work do you do?
I am a software engineer, so I develop websites, mobile apps.
That's awesome.
Yes,
Yes, do you enjoy your job?
yes, enjoying the job. We have a lot of problems, we have a lot of things to troubleshoot. But yes, after working for a few months, we become more habitual and need to love with the problems.
Yes, of course. That's true. Just like, so I am a teacher here in Thailand. I teach students between ages 10 and 13. And then I also
Okay.
teach on Cambly as well. So I understand sometimes it there's a lot of problems teaching children, but you have to learn to love it. So I understand.
Okay, so you mean that you have needed more hard work if you are teaching the students which are, having the small age, right?
Yeah, so yes, it's way difficult teaching 30 Thai students that are ages 10 all at once. It's very difficult.
Yes, it is. So, can you please suggest me any specific practicing platform where I can practice my fluency, basically? Pronunciation and accent.
Yes, for sure. There is actually a lot of YouTube channels. I can look up. I have them actually written down on my laptop. Let me just see.